So how do we actually update our Gamesir Tarantula Pro firmware? Well, to be able to update it, what you need to do firstly is to get an app called Gamesir Connect. So just Google Gamesir Connect and go to the official Gamesir website, and then you can either click right here or right here to be able to download that app. Once you have gotten the app, then what I'm going to do now, we need to connect it to our PC or laptop either via dongle or via the USB cable that you should have gotten when you purchased it. So I am going to connect it via the cable because I think it's the easiest thing to do. So I'm just going to insert the USB-C end here, as you can see, right here. And the other end, the USB end, needs to go to my PC or laptop, of course. So now once it's connected here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go into Gamesir Connect app here. And then you can see Tarantula Pro. It should instantly recognize it here. If it's not connecting, you need to click on the Gamesir logo button here, click and hold until it turns on. And then in here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on firmware upgrade here. I don't have any, but if you do, this is where you actually update it. You just click on firmware upgrade. You will see an option here to get the absolute latest update, basically. Hopefully you guys can see okay. And yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually do this.